New to Excel 2010 are what are called Sparklines. Basically, they're just trend lines you can insert within a cell without having to create a chart. For example, if I want to know the trend of the sales that Marge has had from quarter 1 through quarter 4, is it going up, down, what's the trend? I can go ahead and select the range and insert a Sparkline. Come up here, click on the Insert tab, go to the Sparklines group, and I can do a line Sparkline, a column, or a win-loss. Let's do a line. When I click on that, it says, okay, I need to get two things from you. First of all, choose the data range that you would like to include or to have the Sparkline based upon. Already have it selected. If I didn't, click on the collapsible dialog box button, click and drag to select your range, hit enter to pop it back open, and then come down here. And it says, where do you want to insert the Sparkline? Well, you can insert it into a cell that already has data in it. I don't recommend it, but because you've got the data and then the line in it, it's going to be a little bit hard to see, but I'll click OK and show you. There we go. There's the line. Let's do it again. And this time we'll go ahead and insert that Sparkline. We've got the same data range. We just need to choose a cell out here. So there you go. You can see the trend. So it started off kind of flat. Then wow, she made some great sales, but when? Is it the third quarter? Maybe. We can go ahead and add what are called markers. If I come up here to the Design tab, of course I click off in a blank area, you won't see the contextual related tab to the Sparkline until I actually select the cell that has the Sparkline in it. Then come up here and we can go ahead in the show group and check markers. And so we've got a marker for each milestone or each point. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So you can see quarter 1, quarter 2. Gosh, it's really hard to tell. You know what we could do to expand this and see more of it is come over here and hover in between the row headers 4 and 5 until my pointer is turning into arrows pointing in opposite directions, as we learned in level 1. Click and drag and stretch that open, and well, you get more space so you can see the sharper contrast of where we're going, as opposed to double clicking really fast and just getting a smaller view of that and not seeing the dramatic increase or drop in sales. And of course you have other options here. Let me go ahead and convert that into a column so we can see it that, you know, a little bit of column, not much of a change, but boy, third quarter, fantastic. And of course win and loss. That's not helping. In other words, if we had a negative number, it would be down in the red. Otherwise, it's all a win. So that wouldn't work. In any case, we're back to square one here. And of course, you can have the option of changing it so you got contrasting colors with more styles here. So it pops out a little bit more. Now, if I want to get rid of it, let's go ahead and go to the Design group, to the Group, and click on the Clear button, and it removes it. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.